एरिया ऑफ पॉलीगन्स इन कोऑर्डिनेट प्लेन। देखिए, अगर पॉलीगन कार्टेशियन प्लेन में अगर डिफरेंट पॉलीगन्स बने हो तो उनका एरिया कैसे निकालेंगे। सबसे पहले हम लोग पहला बना रहे हैं रेक्टेंगल। रेक्टेंगल देखिए, कोऑर्डिनेट प्लेन में रेक्टेंगल बनाएंगे तो लेंथ कितनी यूनिट है काउंट कर लेंगे। काउंट द लेंथ इन यूनिट्स, इट इज़ 5 and breadth is 4. This is a rectangle because length is different from breadth. The area of rectangle is length into breadth. Five units length, count the units, and breadth is 4 units. The area equal to L into B, 5 into 4, 20 square units. The area of rectangle is L into B, 20 square unit. Now the second polygon, it is square. Count the side of square. How many units is the side of a square is? 5 units. The area of a square is side into side. Therefore, the area of this square is 5 into 5, 25 square units. Count the unit. Area equal to 25 square units. Okay. The next polygon, it is right triangle. Right triangle, the base of this triangle is 6 because the coordinates of 0, 0, minus 6, 0 and 0, 6. The height is also 6. The area of right triangle is 1 by 2 base into height. It is the base is 6 units and height is 6 units. 1 by 2, 6 into 6. It is 18 square unit. Okay. The next polygon. It is a parallelogram. The parallelogram is whose opposite sides are equal and parallel. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. Its base is 4 units and height. The coordinate is 0, 6, 0, 8, 2, 0, 13. The height is 5 unit. Base is 4 units and height is 5. It means the area of parallelogram equal to base into height. 5 into 4, 20 square units. This is a parallelogram. Okay, the next figure is, see what is this? This is the base. This is a triangle, any triangle. It is an scalene triangle, but the area of triangle is always 1 by 2 base into height. Now count the units in the base from 3 to 10. The base units are 7. The coordinates of the base is 3, 0 and 10, 0. the base is 7 units and height is 5 units. Dashed line shows the height. The area of triangle is 1 by 2 base into height. 1 by 2, 7 into 5, it means 35 by 2, 17.5 square units. Now the next figure is what is this? The perpendicular units. This is the height or the perpendicular distance between the two parallel lines. It is a trapezium in which two lines are parallel. It is a trapezium. The area of trapezium is 1 by 2, sum of the parallel sides into the distance between parallel lines. It means the baseline 7 units, upper 4 units, and the distance between parallel lines is 4. Now put in the formula. Area equal to 1 by 2. Sum of parallel sides 7 plus 4, 11, and height is 4 units. It is 22 square units. This is the area of trapezium. The next figure. What is this? See. This is the baseline. Count the unit in the baseline from 12 to 18. It is 6 units. And the upper line is also 6 units. It means all the 4 sides are equal and parallel. It is a rhombus. All the 4 sides are equal. If all angles are equal to 90 degree, therefore it is a square, otherwise it is a rhombus. If 4 sides are equal. The base is 6 and height. Count the units in perpendicular y-axis. Height is 6. Then the area of rhombus is base into height, 6 into 6, 36 square units. This is a rhombus. I think all of you understand how to find the area of polygons in coordinate plane. Here is the area of square, rectangle, rhombus, parallelogram, trapezium, right triangle and triangle. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel Maths Cluster. Thank you very much to all of you.